Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how I made my own cute scrunchie holders. The materials I'm using could be found at your nearest craft store or the dollar store. I was lucky to find this 5x5 plaque, which is nice and sturdy for this project. Wood dowels, wood glue, hot glue gun, paint palette, my acrylic paint colors, and my brushes. I do have plenty of acrylic paint to get rid of, so it comes in handy with this project. So let's begin by shaking the paint. Pop it open and squeeze. I've dipped my brush in the paint and now we'll brush over the wood. The pink I'm using is actually a bit darker than what you see, which is why I tried to use one layer of pink. Unless I missed a few spots, then I went over that again. I left the plaque air dry for a moment to then go back and paint the sides. Meanwhile, I started to paint the blue plaque and did the exact same thing I did to the pink one. Checking that everything is dry so I could start hot gluing the pieces together. I used a ruler to find the center of the plaque. Okay, so now I'm adding some of that hot stuff on the dowel, but one could also start by adding the glue on the plaque. I held it down for at least 10 seconds to make sure it was sticky. Once the plaque and the dowel were stuck together, I worked my way up with the paint. Adding glue around the base is crucial for extra support. It will definitely not fall apart if you add extra glue around the base. So if you're trying to do this, make sure you add extra glue. So this is how I made my own scrunchie holders. It was super easy and affordable for me to make them. And now I can station this and just drop them in there to have less scrunchies misplaced because OMG, I've lost so many. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to watch any future fun videos, subscribe. Thank you.